In this video, we're going to be finding out if Coinbase is actually good for day trading. Now, Coinbase is a popular platform, there is absolutely no doubt. It's user-friendly, relatively secure, and a good starting point for many people dipping their toes into crypto. But is it actually the best for day trading? Well, the answer is, it really depends. So, when it comes to the good stuff, Coinbase is easy to navigate, even for beginners. You can actually trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, and it also has a good track record in terms of security. Now, what about the bad stuff? So trading fees can dip into your profits, especially if you're making frequent trades. And compared to some other exchanges, Coinbase might lack some of the advanced features that serious day traders need, such as charting tools and order types. So the bottom line, Coinbase can be okay for some day trading, but it's not really the most ideal platform. If you're starting out, it's a decent place to learn the ropes, but if you're serious about day trading and want to maximize your profits, you might want to explore other options with lower fees and more advanced features. And as a quick disclaimer, don't forget that day trading is risky, so make sure not to risk more than you can actually afford to lose. So that wraps it up. I hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.